Hey everyone, just want to talk to you about this week's video. This week was the last week at home, so we were just finishing off cleaning the car up, saying goodbye to everyone, doing our final packing. Then we were going to hit the road, but you've probably seen Brisbane's in lockdown. We've got, I think, 10 new cases now. We don't know what's going to happen. We have to pull out of bookings and cancel them. WA's hard border on Queensland, can't get there. South Australia hard border, can't get into South Australia. New South Wales saying don't come. Right now we're just stuck in Brisbane. Very stressful right now. We just don't know how long we're going to be stuck here. Time's ticking away, so you know, we had it planned out. There was so much we wanted to see. We had the perfect amount of time to see everything. If we're stuck here for 2 weeks, we're not earning any money, holidays, it's just, you know, ticking by. We don't like sitting at home, we like to have an adventure. So yeah, the stress levels, you know, it's supposed to be such a happy time for us, you know, just final week, easy cruisy week at work, say goodbye to everyone, you know, throw some last minute gear in the car, hit the road. But yeah, we haven't forgotten anything. We've got our shirts back.
Oh, there it is.
Trust you back.
Oh,
yeah.
pretty exciting.
Kids have got all their shirts done. So anyway, help us out, like this video, make sure you give us a follow. Hopefully we can hit the road and show you guys something. We might do Outback Queensland first, slip into the Northern Territory. We might do Ayers Rock, which was going to be on our list towards the end of the trip. We might get into there. We need 2 weeks out of the bubble before we can get into Northern Territory. So yeah, we might do the Dinosaur Trail, slip over Ayers Rock, Chambers Pillar, the Geographic Centre of Australia. Hopefully then we can slip into South Australia, do the stuff we were originally going to do, and then slip into Western Australia last. And still hopefully leaving enough time for Kakadu and Litchfield up the top of Northern Territory. So yeah, like the video, help us out, follow the adventure, and thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. Cheers.
Alright, so on this trip we're not planning on washing the car too often, so to help protect the paint, it's had a good wash and wax. We're going to give it a cut and polish, and then 2 coats of ceramic coat. You can get it from super cheap, it's like $50. Just adds extra protection that the sand and the dust doesn't penetrate your paint and stain it like you normally see. So it just helps out. So all these things that we do before this trip, just to help out, so there's less to do on the trip. More time to enjoy it, less time thinking about the car and worrying about the car. So get into polishing this, and then yeah, the ceramic coat. So this is our ceramic coating. It's just from Super Cheap. It's about $50, so it's pretty dear stuff. So yeah, just spray it on, buff it off. Seems to do the job pretty good.
G2G passes are done, so look at WA, here we come. Got South Australia done too, so another thing ticked off the list, so we are ready to roll. Nothing can stop us now. Alright, under 2 weeks till we leave. Got this nervous feeling in my stomach, you know, happy excitement as well, but you know, it's looking at the setup now, thinking we gotta live out of this for 6 months. Have we done the right idea? Have we done the right thing? So yeah, we just got everything out, making sure we haven't forgotten anything. We've got our shirts back, and we'll get all this stuff.
Oh, there it is.
Trust you back.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pretty exciting.
Kids have got all their shirts done.
Yeah, but you know what kids are like. They want to wear them when they want to wear them, not when we want them to wear them. So.
Yeah. So no, we've got the car's all been cleaned up. The paint feels really nice. Feels like silk. Like, I don't want to touch it because it feels so nice. So
I'm
yeah,
not allowed to touch it.
been washed, been polished. 2 coats of ceramic coating. Gave the trailer a coat too. And yeah, we're just doing our farewells to everyone today. So
Yeah.
get that over and done with.
Get
And
it over
then-
and done with. What do you mean?
Yeah, well, we don't like these people anyway, so. No, I'm kidding. They're most of our viewers, they are the people coming over, so. Yeah, so, yeah, just got everything set up, just making sure it's all right, because we didn't get that last weekend, you know, away camping that we wanted. We didn't need it, because we'd done a sort of a pre-run check. But we thought, well, maybe one more weekend away, but it didn't happen. Ran out of time, so this
And
is
Adam's made a lot of modifications, so I'm going to have a lot of learning to do in the first week or so with where he's changed stuff to be, but that's okay.
it. Yep, I've
Part of the
made
fun.
Larissa's bed's now outside. All right, so I'm going to grab a beer and
It's 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock in the morning.
It's too early for a beer.
It's 12 o'clock somewhere. All right, guys, we'll have a good video. Oh, good morning, everyone. Sunday morning. It's about 8 o'clock. Under 2 weeks to go. So, had everyone over yesterday. It was a long day. We had people coming and going all day from about 10 o'clock to in the morning, about probably 10 o'clock at night. So yeah, a few drinks. Yeah, pretty early Sunday. I haven't even had breakfast yet. So last night we cleaned out the water tanks. So we just use this. We've done it a few times. Probably once a year we do it. This does about 200 litres, I think. So yeah, they've been soaking overnight. Today we'll flush them all out, and we're going to rip everything out of the camper trailer, all the bedding, all the like knife and forks and plates. We're going to rip all that out and give it all a good wash. It's been non-stop raining up here in sunny Queensland, so we've got 2 weeks to get it all washed and dried, and we'll load it in that last weekend. All right, I'm about to get back to work. Morning everyone, Adam here going overland. What a disaster. 1 week to go when Queensland's got a case of corona and all the borders are closed, so don't know what to do. There's border restrictions, there's floods out west, there's mice plagues, everything's booked up. Oh my gosh, what have we got ourselves in for? Alright, so yesterday was Friday and so happy, like 1 week to go, everything was going well, everything was going to plan, and yeah, we were stoked, we were in such a good mood. And then reports come in of a coronavirus case in Brisbane, and yeah, we knew exactly what that meant. So yeah, border restrictions overnight. We just don't know what to do now. We had 1 week of work left, and we were going to have 2 days at home to pack and then slowly make our way off, and we thought, well, let's pack up early and see if we can leave early. No, the borders are already closed. So yeah, bit of a nightmare, you know. What a roller coaster of emotions. It was such a high, and then all of a sudden, yeah, we're gutted. So anyway, we're just going to keep packing like normal and just, you know, fingers crossed it works out for us. So yeah, we'll talk you through how we're packing a little bit, or how to get, you know, all your gear packed up and not forget anything. So what we've got is we've got a camp list that we take every time we go camping. We look at it and check it, cross things off, highlight things that you pack last minute, like your toothbrushes and pillows, so you don't forget any of that. And then basically we're going to go through every drawer in the house and see if there's something in there that we need, because this is not like your normal camping trip. So, you know, if you forget something, you're going to have to buy it new, or yeah, you're going to struggle without it. So the cars, all the mechanical stuff's already been done. This is all the last minute things, you know, all the extra things that you might need for a, you know, such a big trip. So yeah, we're just going to go through every drawer of the house, look through it. Is it something we've already packed? Is it something we need? And that way, hopefully, we haven't forgotten anything. Alright, so today is another day. WA's just rejected our border passes. So there goes that idea. But, you know, we did plan it out. Our plans have changed, but we still know the places we want to see. We can change our itinerary, or our schedule, I should say, to suit. So when we can get it into WA, then we can start scheduling that out. Look, so what we might do, we might go out back New South Wales if we can get past some of the floodwaters. Head on down to Broken Hill and Menindee Lakes. It's quite nice down there, free camping down there.
There we go.
We'll probably have to do a corona test there to get into South Australia. So
It's going to be tough call for the kids. Kids hate the corona tests, and you know, anytime they've been sick this year, even if you know it's not corona, they've had to endure that. So
yeah, so well, yesterday we were so super stressed, angry at each other. We were fighting. It's just the stress levels just got to us. But today we're just
angry with you, make me do stuff.
Larissa still hasn't done things from 3 months ago, and she was getting a bit stressed over how short a time she had to get ready for this trip. She just didn't have enough time to get ready. There was not enough time. Yeah, only 12 months to get ready. So she's left it all for the last week, like normal, which she pulls it off. I don't know why, she just pulls it off in the last week.
The kids need to wear clothes during the last 12 months.
Yeah, but it's all the little things you could have been doing. So, okay. No, don't worry.
Oh, let's not fight about it.
We're going to fight about it later on off camera. So, yeah, but she always does it. Last week, she just smashes it all out, gets it all done. I'm stressed because I like getting things ready early. Her brain doesn't work like that. She likes to do it. And, you know, that's just the way we are. We're different. So
it's going to be an interesting trip.
There's no right way or wrong way. So
there's Adam's way.
Or the highway.
Or or the wrong way.
So yeah, this will be the last. This will be the last video in this series. This
And
will be
getting ready.
This will be the end of the series.
Have you? Yeah.
So bring a tear to my eye. Tears of joy. Next time you see us, we'll be probably on the trip. So unless something else happens and we get stuck here for another month, which could happen.
Then you'll have lots of interesting videos about how to plan meals.
No,
Or
won't be
something.
doing
I
that.
don't know.
We won't be done. So yeah, thanks for watching. We just wanted to show that anyone can do a lap of Australia. Any setup, any budget. You know, you don't need what these guys are showing you on YouTube. You don't need these massive new trucks. You don't need brand new huge caravans.
Oh, if you can afford it, go for it. But you
Yeah,
know,
I'd rather spend my money on traveling and having an adventure.
Yeah.
I mean, we could buy that stuff, but then we'd have a lot.
Wait, hang on.
We wouldn't go for the trip if we bought that stuff. So. Yeah, our mindset was to let's do it on a budget, but let's take the time off work and have a good time. So anyone can do it. It doesn't matter what setup you have, what timelines you have. Have fun, build it up your way. Don't let anyone tell you need to do it over 12 months and you got to have all the new gear and all this and that.
Yeah. You don't have
Just
to
get out there and do it.
You don't have to do a big continuous lap. Some of the seasons in Australia aren't very suitable in particular
Anyway,
areas.
have a good time. See you guys.
So
She's
see
just going to talk
Adam's
for another
way.
10 minutes.
Adam's way.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next series. Keep watching as we hit the road and we actually start showing you stuff. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Do you want to say goodbye to these people?
Oh, sorry.
Say bye. Thanks, guys. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Like, subscribe, follow, all that stuff. Bye, guys.